Okay. Hello, hello, hello. Can you guys hear me? All right. Can you guys hear me? Hello, hello. Hello, hello. All right, cool. All right. So what's going on, everybody? Go ahead and put in the Telegram group that we are live, so that everybody can be able to know. So we'll just get started a little early. So I've been out here working hard, man. So yeah, if anything, I'll speak a little bit before we get started. So yeah, I've been working hard to get out this content, and like I'm really excited because like all these videos have been completely redone, all me sitting right here. And I'm truly excited to be able to get this out there for you guys. But either way, go ahead and tell me your name and where you guys are calling in from. I'm excited to be back and actually like a little more stable. It's funny because in the last like 3-4 months I've moved twice already. So I've been like all around, and I was traveling for a while, and I've been up and down. And one thing that I know is important is to be reliable, especially when you have your own business and stuff like that. And so I do apologize for sometimes being on when I'm supposed to be on, and sometimes I'm off a little bit. But at least for now, I don't think I have too much that I'll be doing in the next couple months. So, Coral Springs, that's dope. So yeah, I don't know what I'll be doing for the next couple months, but I'm pretty sure I'll be a little bit more stable. So I'm really excited because I've completed actually shooting all of the videos for the online version of the course, of the You Are the Indicator course. And now what I'm doing literally right now, I don't know if I want to move all this, but let's see. All right. So you probably couldn't even see what that was. There's still like a whole bunch of stuff going on in here, but there on that screen right there, I'm making a whole bunch of edits, and I'm still like figuring out how I'm going to do my office and all this other stuff, but it's really exciting. So, one moment. So, if anything, Becca from Ohio. So, if anything, we'll just go ahead and get started. And believe me, what I did want to say actually as well is, I thank everybody for actually sharing this content to everybody, to like your friends and family members and stuff. It makes me understand and know the fact that like you guys trust the content I'm putting out and to be able to share with other people. So thank you very much for doing that. So if anything, let's get started. So how you guys doing? My name is Philip Anglade, and welcome to fxpronow.com. What we'll be doing today is we'll be talking about what I call Sundays This Week in the Markets. And what I do here is I go ahead and actually show my perspective of what I see in the markets on a couple pairs, like EURUSD, USDJPY, GBPJPY, and AUDUSD, and a couple others as well. But those are the main ones. And what I do is I just share my perspective, and by the end, maybe you can be able to actually learn something or actually earn some money as well. So what I actually do is I give out all my content for free. And then from there, if you're looking to be able to actually learn a little bit more and really get into the nitty gritty, I actually hold a online and in-person course that you can be able to get access to when you actually go into fxpronow.com. You can be able to get all the content and info. And as far as a lot of different things, as far as like my schedule, how to be able to contact me, all the information is going to be in the description below. So if you have any questions, you can always contact me from there. All right, so let's go ahead and actually get started. So let me actually pull up my charts. I've been literally all over the place. As of recently, I just moved into my new house. I'll probably be here for the next 2 years or so. So TradingView. So let's go ahead and pull this up here. All right, boom, share. All right. Before we even continue, how do you guys like the new, oh, you can't even see it anymore, but I'm actually redesigning the website literally from scratch. So how do you guys like the new logo where it has like the red thing around it? I think it's pretty cool. Anyways, am I even signed in? It doesn't even look like I'm signed in. I hope I'm signed in. Oh, I'm not signed in. I don't even know my stuff. Oh no. Let's see if I can figure this out. All right. One moment. I don't even know my sign in, which is crazy, and I don't even know why I was logged out. Sign in. Oh man. Okay. I think it signed me in. Yeah, it signed me in. Thank God. Because I'm like, oh no. All right. Gold. X. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. All right, so we're just going to start out with EURUSD. Boom. EURUSD. Forex. All right, boom. Hold on, am I not logged in? What's going on, bro? EURUSD. Yo. I don't know why, like it says I'm logged in, but this is not how my screen looks. Anyways, we're just going to continue. All right. This is not how my screen usually looks. I have no idea, like, what's going on. I logged in, but for some reason, my stuff is not popping up. Templates. Philip. What is this? I have no idea. I apologize, guys. I'm just going to take this off. I don't know what that is. All right. So anyways, what we see here is we're on the H4 time frame, and to start out from scratch here, we obviously have a downtrend. And with this downtrend here, let's go ahead and see where this is at right here. Point A, point B. So price has technically found a lower high. I mean a higher low. Right, technically actually found one. Being the fact that price has broken through this last low over here, I do see a continuation of more lows in the future. Let's see how this pushed. So what I'm doing is I want to see from point A to point B to point C over here, where price may go in the future as price continues to push. So I do see price heading towards this area over here, this 1.114 area. And being the fact that price actually broke this last area over here and did not continue to push up, I do see a continuation to this downside move. Let's go ahead and go to the lower time frame to see how this is forming on the lower time frame. Price did find a level of support right here, so it may just push up for a little bit. Man, this is ugly. This is why you want to make sure that your charts are clean, because next time I'll make sure to have my charts actually pulled up. So this may pull up a bit. This may pull up to here, or even to about 61.8. I don't think it's going to push up that high, to say the truth. But from there, I'm actually expecting this to continue to push to the downside after it does do these pushes to about this area right here. So I just need price to actually break this last this last low over here. But I wouldn't be surprised that price is going to push up a bit. I wouldn't suggest to get into any buys. That's not what I'm saying. Because my favor is more towards price pushing down. But I would want this to push up before I even get into any sells. So I want this to push up a little higher. And then on the lower time frames, let's just say on the M15 break structure, but then on the M30 actually find some type of bearish engulfing pattern to form somewhere in this region up here. So like I said, I just want price to push up a little higher before I can feel comfortable actually getting into this, being the fact that it found some level of support over here. Price pushed to some area, pushed up, pushed down, and now it's actually creating this candle right here. Let's see what it looks like in the M15 real quick. Yeah, I'd want for this to be broken. Yeah. But I do see this continuing to the downside. All right, so let's go ahead to AUDUSD. Let's see if there's anything available right now in there. Yeah, I have no idea what's going on with my stuff. All right, so we are seeing highs actually forming. Continuation of this push right here. And a higher high does actually form over here. As far as this buy move, yeah, this is actually a pretty good time to get into this buy. I'm not even gonna front. I wonder how price is going to react around here. Is this my actual chart? Yo, this is my actual chart. I have no idea why my screen looks like this. I have no idea what happened to my stuff. Voila. Okay. Because I was about to say, what's going on here? All right. All right. Yeah, I do see more highs starting to form. Let's look on the daily. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, this is just forming new highs. Let's look at how this moved. So price went from point A to point B to point C, 38.2. Let's look in the H4, how this formed. Because these are all H4 moves. So price passes this level of resistance over here. Now, I don't know if this is going to be, I don't know if this would be considered as tested or if it was broken or not. Price over here breaks, retests, and then pushes up, and then continues its push down. That's interesting. Now, I do see this forming more pushes to the upside. Now, I would like for this to push down. I'd like to be more aggressive on the sells than on the buys, to tell you the truth, and that's why I'm kind of stalling on this. I'd love for this to actually break this trend line and continue its way to the downside. I'd feel more confident in that. But yeah, for this one, I'm just not going to say too much about it. AUDJPY. I don't know where all my stuff is, which freaking sucks. Load chart. So what the heck was going on? Leave. All right. All right. This just kept on pushing. Wow, that was a very bullish move right here. That's pretty interesting. This bullish move right here tells me it'll be a continuation of this push to the upside, and it won't continue its way down. This is a uptrend still. This was just a pullback. Okay, that's what this bullish candle right there tells me a continuation of this upside move. Let's go ahead and from here, boom, 78.6. I see a continuation of this upside move. Pretty interesting. What the heck? This right here, point A, point B. This got to 50%, just around there. And then boom. I see this going to about this 27% area right here. And I wouldn't be surprised. They'll push down. Let's see how much. Probably to the area that was broken. And then continue its way to the upside with a beautiful move. Let's see. Probably go back to this area over here. I guess price really wants to break through this. It tried and tried and tried, and it just wasn't doing it. Let's see how it was moving before. Price found this. Price pushed up, pushed down, pushed up, pushed down. Let's look on the daily. Take out all that noise. Look, all you see are bullish candles. Let's look at this. Point A, point B, tested 61.8. Continuation to here. Held that level of support. Boom. Let's look on the lower time frame. So 30 minutes has passed. I wouldn't be surprised if this will probably push down at some point in time. So here's the thing. When this pulls back, right now I'm actually about to call something. All right. As long as price holds this level of support, and price may push up, and then once it pushes up, or even like just stay right here and then push down, what you want to do is you want to find where you see price starts to slow up a bit, and then probably on the 30-minute time frame, what you're going to look for is a bullish candle to eat or engulf a bearish candle. Okay, that's what you want to do. You want this to pull back some, probably around in this area over here, probably around in that area, where it's going to slow up a little bit, and then find a bullish candle to eat a bearish candle. And it may happen a couple times, but then after that, then boom. I don't see this continuing like the aggressive push. I wouldn't be surprised if it's pushed down, and then probably by London in the next, 3-4 hours. Nah. It's not going to pull down now. I wouldn't even be surprised. Monday night, London session, Eastern Standard Time, is when the move is actually going to happen. It probably needs another day. But if anything, we'll see. But I am bullish when it comes to USDJPY. Let's look at GJ. GJ, boom. Let's look at this crazy lady. All right, so this held the level of support. That's pretty interesting, man. All right, let's look at the H4. Level of support, boom. Let's make sure and see. Let's do it from here. So this did not really get to 38.2. Like for real. This from here did, but this is the move. This held the level of resistance. This is a downtrend. Still, even with this big push, still held the level of resistance. Boom, boom. Let's see how far this pushed. And look, this went literally exactly. I want to show you this. So check out this right here. So point A, point B, point C, point D, negative 61.8, like to the freaking T, guys. So in my course, I actually show you what these gold numbers are as far as negative 27% and the 61.8. Like these are the money lines. And I break these down a lot. 61.8. So I wouldn't be surprised this is going to point A, point B. This is going to push up a bit. And if anything, you can actually get these pips. Boom. And then from there, quickly push down. I wouldn't be surprised. And then hit that trend line. But I don't even think my trend line even means anything. Yeah, I feel pretty good about that. So let's look at Bitcoin. I haven't even looked at Bitcoin. This is being crazy as well. Is this the one that has my trend lines on it? All right, so this got to 88.6 and it held it. I wouldn't be surprised there's going to be a push. A push to the upside. It'll be crazy if this actually does 100% retracement, which I doubt. But as far as with Bitcoin, this drop was literally crazy. I could just imagine somebody catching all of this in the type of trading that we do. So all this is done. Actually, I want to go see the charts that have USD. That's Bitfinex. Coinbase, Bitstamp. Is that the one? There's a chart that I have where I really marked it up crazy because I knew it was going to break that area. I just need to find it. BSD. Coinbase? Yep. All right. Huh. Check this out. You see how it's thick? You see this line is thick? Mind you, I haven't looked at Bitcoin in weeks. You see how this line is thick, and you see how it held its level of support here? And this right here held, and then dropped. That is freaking crazy. This right here probably push. All right, what's the next line? The next daily is down here at 2,800. Man, that'd be freaking crazy. And by the way, as far as all these lines, I have no idea how I did this. I was just like doing stuff. I totally forgot. Let's look at the daily. Yeah, I have no idea where this is going, but I wouldn't be surprised like there's gonna be a push up and then boom again. Because I wouldn't be surprised there's gonna be a whole bunch of people that are gonna just rush into this just to rush in and then get out. And then do it one more time and then it'll be done. All right. So as far as UJ and GJ, those are the only ones that I can see something clear on those. All right. So hopefully you guys got something out of that. Let me see. All right. Yeah. So hopefully you guys caught something off of that. Just know that December 1st, I'm actually going to be coming on here, and I'm going to be giving you guys literally everything I have. And what I mean by that is I'm going to tell you guys the truth. And what I mean by the truth, like literally everything, like my story and how I came about this, and my why of why I'm doing this, and what I'm putting out there for the world. And I'm excited to really build something large with you guys. And I do know that there's going to be something massive that's going to come about when it comes to this. And it's going to be the launch of the course that I had in person, have in person, but realized that I need to be able to put this out online to as many people as possible. So just know that there's going to be a cash prize that's going to be given out, and I'm really excited to be able to do that. I've always wanted to do stuff like that, but I just didn't have the means to, and now things are a little different. So yeah, there's going to be a cash prize that's going to be given out, and whoever's going to be on for that day, December 1st, if anything, I'll put out the time. Most likely it's going to be around noon or something like that. But yeah, guys, I'm literally in here for hours at a time editing this stuff and learning how to edit and learning how to do all this stuff. And I'm just excited. I'm excited for you to know the truth, know my story, know my vision of where I'm taking this, and we'll see how this goes. You know what I mean? So greatly appreciate your time logging in, and we'll be back on Tuesday at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to do the Red Blue Cloud. And then after that, Wednesday at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to do the recap of this week in the markets. Then Thursday, another Red Blue Cloud. And then, I think, because I'm actually going to be doing my in-person course, so I got to see how that's going to go. But then definitely, if I'm not mistaken, I think it's Saturday, right? Saturday? I don't know why the MacBook does not have where you can be able to just see the dates. That's strange. Yeah, so Saturday, December 1st, we'll be on here probably about like noon or something like that. I think that'll be the time. And I'm excited to be able to have you guys on and going from there. So if you have any questions, in the description below, I have all my contact information, or you can be able to email me at support@fxpronow.com. Or you can be able to contact me through Telegram. All right, guys. So greatly appreciate your time, and I will see you guys soon. So let's get it.